Hello, welcome. This video is about TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer. Most YouTubers seem to struggle when it comes to using this tool. If you have difficulty getting results from Keyword Explorer, it is because there are three very important aspects that you do not understand. The three things that most new YouTubers do not understand are: Number 1 is that it allows you to tune into your audience. Number 2 is that Keyword Explorer allows you to tune into your competition. Number 3 is that it allows you to tune in with YouTube. You are about to see how these three aspects will help you to make an immediate improvement in attracting new viewers. By using and understanding TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer, your channel and your videos will get more exposure and more views, at no cost and with no wait. An immediate benefit of Keyword Explorer is that it is going to help us to learn the language that our prospective viewers are using to find our content. That is your first step. It is an important step, and we are going to cover that step in a moment. It seems that most YouTubers only take that first step, and go no further. Keyword Explorer will help you to get to tune into your audience, but that is only part of the process. The other parts are YouTube and competition. Keyword Explorer helps you with all three. Let's get to step 1. Think of step 1 as the what and how step. There are a couple of whats that you want to focus on. What is your video about? How can it help your viewers? Now let's tweak your what and how. What is it about your content that your viewers want to watch? And what is it about your content that can benefit your viewers? The part of this what and how step that you may not understand is that you can use Keyword Explorer to tell you the what and the how that you seek. This keyword research tool is going to tell you the words that your prospective viewers are using to find the kind of content in your video or the kind of benefits that it will provide. Another aspect of this step is that it may take several tries to get the information that you need. You want to know that there is interest, and once you find that interest, you can focus on tuning in more and more closely to your audience and the words that they are using. Actually, if you begin your video process with the following research, and then build your videos around it, your channel will benefit. By building your content backwards, you will be creating content based on what your viewers want. This is the right way and the best way to create any content on the internet, including videos. We are going to start with a real situation. We will be looking over Mr. P's shoulder. We want to begin by researching keywords that are applicable to our niche. Your niche is the focus of your channel, or a product or service that your channel is promoting. Think of your first few choices of keywords as a test. You are testing the water, and your objective is to determine that there is interest. Mr. P began with Acaria juice. It is a hot-selling product on ClickBank that helps people to lose weight without dieting or exercising. What Keyword Explorer is showing us is that there is some search volume and that the optimum strength is good, which means that his choice of keywords is good, but there is too much competition. So let's see what happens with the words weight loss. As you might expect, there is a huge amount of interest. We are starting to tune into our audience. As you can see, the overall score is low. Yes, the search volume is terrific. The optimization strength is good, but the competition is way too high. Although there are almost 6 million searches per month, there are almost 80 million videos that we would be competing with for those keywords. What Keyword Explorer is telling us is that weight loss is what our audience is typing into YouTube search boxes, but we need to include step 2. We need to use Keyword Explorer to help us to find words in this niche that have good search volume, but less competition. What I am sharing so far is typical, especially when you are new to Keyword Explorer. Keyword Explorer is awesome. It will help your channel, so let's watch to see what it can do. Mr. P knows a trick that might help. That trick is to add the words how to. Actually, this result is better than expected. We are almost in the green. There is still a tremendous amount of search, but we still face a lot of competition with over 121 million videos. Let's try adding how to and without dieting. We are in the yellow, but Mr. P suggests that we shoot for the green, especially for new channels. Let's see if we can score in the green. What happens when we try without exercising, rather than without dieting? We are in the green. The last 3 keyword phrases are ones that we can use, but let's keep trying. Let's try how to lose weight without dieting and exercise. We are inching up further into the green. What else would people be typing into the YouTube search box if they want to lose weight? People who want to lose weight might be searching for a diet. Let's try weight loss diet. Wow! Although we are still facing high competition, Keyword Explorer is letting us know that adding the word diet has promise. Let's tweak this a little more. Let's add the word best. I like very good for an overall score. I also want to point out that Keyword Explorer provides us with related searches. These are additional suggested keywords that we can try. Another trick that might help us is to rephrase our keywords. We already know that the phrase, best weight loss diet, scores well. How can we restate this keyword phrase? Let's try what is the best diet for weight loss. Still very good, but a slight step backwards. Let's try the word which instead of what. In other words, which is that best diet for weight loss? According to Keyword Explorer, we have a winner. When we get a score of 100 from Keyword Explorer, that keyword phrase should not only rank on page 1 of YouTube search, it should rank at or near the top. Hopefully your video will be in the top 3 or 4. Another variation or rephrasing of these keywords is best diet for weight loss. As you can see, with just a little effort, Keyword Explorer will help you find keywords that get the viewers that your channel needs and deserves. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn the like button black now. Thank you. If this kind of content interests you, I invite you to join the channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this next.